Number 4 is turmeric. Turmeric is known for its therapeutic effects on cough, especially dry cough. The cumin, a substance found in turmeric, is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, which might be helpful for several things, such as dry cough. A warm glass of milk with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder can also provide relief from cough. To prepare this remedy, all you need to do is just to mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of black pepper and boil it together with half a cup of water. You can also add cinnamon stick for extra flavor if you want. After boiling this, mix 1 teaspoon of honey and drink this daily until you feel better. It's very effective. You can try it. The 5th one is almond. Yes, almond is part of the remedy. Almond have nutritional properties that help subside symptoms of cough. All you need to do is just to soak almond, about 5 to 6 almond, in water for 8 to 10 hours. Once soaked, blend the almond into a smooth paste and mix in 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted butter. Consume this mixture 3 to 4 times a day until symptoms improve. The next remedy is pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain. A bromelain found in pineapple suppresses cough, losing mucus in the throat, and help to alleviate sinusitis and allergy related to sinuses issue, which can contribute to coughing and mucus production. The next one is grapes. Grapes have expectorant properties that help release mucus from the respiratory system. The quicker the mucus is eliminated, the sooner coughing can subside. Grapes can be eaten directly, or you can also make it as juice, like fresh grape juice. Combining grape juice with a spoonful of honey, original honey, can be both soothing and effective while treating cough. The next one is called ajoin seeds. This seed contains approximately 50% thymol, a well-known antibacterial monoterpene. This compound is recognized for enhancing the immune system and helping to ward off cough, flu, and other viral infections. The next one is called lemon. Lemon can relieve coughs, reduce inflammation, and boost vitamin C. That is, it's going to fight the infection in your body system. For simple cough syrup, mix just 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey and drink it several times in a day. Another option to use lemon is to blend lemon juice with a pinch of cayenne pepper and a little honey, then drink it. The next remedies, which is number 10, is called jaggery. This jaggery is a remedy that is very useful to calm congestion and cough.